Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And from today, we are going to start a series for complete banking awareness. So, in this series, we are going to cover complete banking awareness that is asked in government exams. And in our first lecture, we are going to cover the history of Indian banking system. So, the banking sector can be divided into three phases: phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. The phase 1 is the early phase which lasted from 1770 to 1969. Phase 2 was the nationalization phase which lasted from 1969 to 1991. And phase 3 was the liberalization phase or the banking sector reforms phase which began in 1991 and it still continues till date. So, history of banking in India is based on two periods. First is pre-independence period and second is post-independence period. So we will discuss about pre-independence period below, and in post-independence period, these three phases are listed here. The pre-nationalization period, that was the phase 1, then post-nationalization period, that was phase 2, and liberalization period, phase 3. So let's move further. So the first Bank of India was the Bank of Hindustan. Which was the first Bank of India? Bank of Hindustan. And it was established in 1770, located in Calcutta. Later, it failed to work and it was closed. But after that, other banks were also established in India, which were the General Bank of India, Old Commercial Bank, Bank of Bengal, Bank of Bombay, and Bank of Madras. These three banks are very important. You have to remember their years also. That is Bank of Bengal 1809, Bank of Bombay 1840, Bank of Madras 1843. And these were established during the British rule in India. The East Indian Company established them. And this was established by the East Indian Company. Also, they were acting as the uh, like they were the most powerful, like presidential power they were having. So that due to that reason, they were called the presidential banks. And these three banks were later merged into one single bank in 1921, which was called the Imperial Bank of India. And this Imperial Bank of India was later nationalized in 1955 and was named the State Bank of India. So what I just said, that there were three banks: Bank of Bengal, Bank of Bombay, and Bank of Madras, established during the British rule by the East India Company, and they were called the presidential banks. These three banks were later merged into one single bank in 1921, and which was called the Imperial Bank of India. The Imperial Bank of India was later nationalized in 1955, and it was named the State Bank of India. So this was the history of State Bank of India. I hope you understood. Many other banks were also established, like the Allahabad Bank, Punjab National Bank, Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Canara Bank, and Bank of Baroda. You have to remember their years. Like for Punjab National Bank, it's 1894. It was established by Lala Lajpat Rai. So you have to remember all these years. These are very important and can be asked in the examinations. So due to many reasons, many banks came and failed also. Like there were frauds happening, there were lack of machines and technologies, human errors were there, facilities were very less, lack of proper management skills. So due to these reasons, there were bank failure also. And remember that the Reserve Bank of India was nationalized in 1949, and the banks which were getting nationalized under the Banking Regulating Act 1949. Fine. Then after 1949, the Reserve Bank of India nationalization, State Bank of India in 1955 was nationalized from Imperial Bank of India. Its name was changed, and other 14 banks were also nationalized between 1969 to 1991. These are the list of other 14 banks. You don't have to remember all these, but you can just read them. That in 1969, 14 banks were nationalized. This is very important. Okay, year is 1969, and how many banks? 14 banks. So let's keep this much only for this part, this lecture, and in another video we will study from the post-independence period. And so that's it for this video. See you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.